This shit can't fit in my pocket, I got it. Like I hit the lottery, nigga. I slap the shit out of nigga. No talking, I don't like to argue with niggas. I don't. Ain't gonna be no more laughing.
Let's go.
No.
24-hour handcuff challenge starts now. Well, probably won't do it for 24 hours. Get up.
No. Ow, 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 ow.
Wait. Okay. Go. Yeah, somebody help him.
Ow! He did that on purpose.
No, I had to open up the door.
Stop. No, 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 stop. Boy, if you don't stop.
Alright, well, shut up.
I'm leading. No. No, not so fast.
You love running, come on.
You're gonna fall down the steps.
Okay, you'll be okay. Oh,
Ow!
come here. Gotta sit the phone down. We gotta talk to the peoples, my YouTube subscribers.
It's my subscribers. It says subscribers.
No, sit up here.
I'm up here.
Because I had it up here in the beginning of the video.
It's gonna fall. I swear it's gonna fall.
Alright, well, it's not gonna fall.
I'm scared it's gonna fall.
So, we're doing a...
Ow! Stop!
So we're doing a... Just say handcuff challenge. We're doing a handcuff challenge, and... Yeah. But, I need y'all...
Should I spit it out?
I don't know. Right now, I need y'all to like, comment some pranks, or anything to do, and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, let's get into it. So, I guess we're just gonna go walking, because there isn't no need to do anything else. Because it's already
7 o'clock.
It's already 7:07, as y'all can see. As y'all can see.
Look.
Oh, move your hand. 7:07.
7:07. I mean 6.
I mean 7:06, by the way. And so yeah, I was vlogging earlier, but then my phone died, so I had to switch phones. I might upload the other video too, just to show y'all the previous vlog. Well, challenge.
Wait, move some place. What if you don't?
I'm also roll the clip of. Oh yeah, we saw black bears and 3 cubs. I'm gonna roll the clip right now. I gotta do it with this hand. They climbing the tree. Well, I don't see him no more.
Right there.
Right where? Oh, over there. Nigga, why are you recording on Instagram? What's up? We're back. As you've seen the clip, excuse me, of the bears. Yeah, they're going to their home. It was a mama bear now.
Or daddy.
The papa bear was probably making some stew.
Probably making some stew.
Or probably cooking some fish.
No, how do you know what bear that was? It might have been the.
Well, it might have been a papa bear, but to me, I think it was a mama bear because it had 3 cubs.
No, wait. No, I think it was a mama bear because, you know, they said something about the cubs. If you go near them, the mama's not too far away. Say something.
I'm giving up on you. Okay, you don't need to kick me. But yeah, so
Climb up there.
I would, but no. So probably gonna make part 2 of this tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tomorrow is Thursday because right now is Wednesday, June 19th, 7:09 right now. But yeah, so I need y'all to comment some things to do. I'm actually thinking about doing a catfishing video. Somebody coming around the curve. I might make a family channel.
Wait, but family channel means you have to be the dad.
No, I don't. No. DDG got a family channel, and it's called the DDG family or something like that. I can make this the Malik family. My subscribers are my family.
The Malik family, really? Ah!
Nah. But yeah.
That's your family.
What's up? It's Malik Squad.
It's the Malik squad.
Yeah. But ouch! All these people riding past, looking at us. We've been planning this for about a week now. We never.
What stink?
It stink up here for real.
I'm going back down here.
Ugh, it stink.
It smells so bad. Bro, I wish they had smell-o-vision. You know where you can smell stuff through the screen? I hope you... No, wait, I don't hope you fall. Never mind.
If I fall, you falling too.
What's that?
She just said, what is that?
I mean, like this stuff.
It's poop.
It's not poop.
Yeah, my hands, let's look at my hand real quick. Look at this. Her hand, not even tight. She's been pulling my arm.
Bro, I wish I had my scooter.
Man, nobody care about that scooter.
I care about the scooter. Ah! I can't even look.
I don't know why I just flipped the camera.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Gotta use the bathroom. Well, if you gotta use the bathroom, we gonna end the vlog right here.
No.
Cause, oh guys, I might cheat and handcuff myself. What?
What?
Nobody said nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
I swear, I'm gonna look at this video.
Oh man, I forgot you subscribed to me. But doing.
It's much funner going downhill than uphill. Right, you know what?
Ouch.
I hit the wall.
Hold it. Okay, let's go. Cause you're doing too much.